Suppose a strategy earns money across the registered history. The full equity curve looks calm, but what if most gain came during one favorable stretch, while another period produced losses and deep drawdown? Markets do not offer the same trend, volatility, or liquidity forever. A full period result blends those environments. Walk-forward testing asks a harder question. Do the same frozen rules remain useful when the calendar window changes? In this implementation, walk-forward does not mean repeatedly searching for settings. The candidate is frozen first. Its rules and parameters never change between windows. One deterministic replay creates one dated trade ledger. Only then is that ledger sliced into market periods. No window retrains the strategy, refits a parameter, or picks a local winner. The time frame moves. The strategy does not. The registered span runs July the 30th, 2015 through June the 30th, 2200. Place a 12-month window at the start, then advance it 6 months. Only complete windows count, producing 10 runs. The first ends July the 30th, 2016. The 10th runs January the 30th, 2020 through January the 30th, 2021. The remaining 5-month tail through June the 30th, 2021 is registered, but too short for another complete run, so it is excluded. Use one hypothetical teaching example, not a current result. Window nets are 300 plus 700, negative 200 plus 100, 250, 4,400, 300, and plus 500. Plot every bar from the same zero and dollar scale. Below, align each window's equity, maximum drawdown, and trade count. Every gate now reads the same evidence, not a different convenient chart. Start with 2 broad gates. Adding the 10 nets gives plus $8,200 above zero, so the aggregate gate passes. 8 of 10 windows are positive, 80% above the strict greater than 70% requirement. Notice the operator. 7 of 10 equals exactly 70% and would fail. Our hypothetical example clears both broad gates, but still faces 3 separate vetoes. Next, ask whether one winner carries too much. Add only the 8 positive windows. The positive profit pool is $8,750. Window 7 contributes $4,400. Divide 4,400 by 8,750, and you get 50.29%. The rule requires less than 50%, not less than or equal to it. This example fails concentration by 0.29 percentage points. A good average hid one dominant period. The remaining checks measure activity and pain. The smallest trade count is 21, clearing the minimum of 20 trades per run. Worst maximum drawdown is $12,000. Against the configured $50,000 capital base, that is 24% below the 25% ceiling. These are operator gates for this process, not universal laws of safety. 4 gates pass. Concentration still vetoes the example. Now read the aggregate correctly. Each window lasts 12 months. The next starts 6 months later. Neighbors share 6 months, so the same dated trades can appear in 2 results. That overlap checks the frozen strategy from more starting points, but changes the meaning of the sum. Plus $8,200 is a gate aggregate across overlapping windows. It is not unique realized account profit and must not be chained into an equity curve as if capital earned every window once. A failed window is evidence, not an invitation to edit history. Do not retune after a weak period. Discard a slice, shift the start date because it looks better, or report only the average. Those moves change the question after seeing the answer. And do not call overlapping windows independent evidence. The discipline is simple. Freeze first, slice consistently, keep every complete window, and interpret each denominator literally. After the 5 gates comes a separate 5x5 exit sensitivity grid. Stop loss and profit target exits scale to 0.70, 0.85, 1.00, 1.15, and 1.30 times baseline. The grid is informational. It may reveal fragile nearby exit assumptions, but it does not select a best sell, rewrite the candidate, or rescue a failed gate. No setting is adopted. This is a diagnostic appendix, not another optimization round. Even a clean pass would be bounded evidence. This frozen candidate cleared these gates across these overlapping complete windows. It would not prove future profitability, show that the original search avoided overfitting, make windows independent, validate live execution and costs, or replace later sealed evidence. Our hypothetical example does not pass. One window supplies 50.29% of its positive profit pool. The useful conclusion is narrower. Ask which market periods carried the result before trusting the full period curve.